Okay, what is Bitcoin doing today? Right, Asia built long. You see the red candles. That means the market maker is buying and the retail trader is selling. They have trapped long up here, trapped longs up here, trapped longs up here. And they have a bunch of stops in here. Now, in the London session, they spiked up, spiked down. The London session, it's called a Brinks box. It's 8 till 9. It always has the false move in it, spiked up and spiked down. So at the minute, people do not know what's happening. There's a news announcement coming out at 1:30. Unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, don't really matter. Non-farm, that's what everyone's looking at. Non-farm payroll, first Friday every single month. It doesn't change anything in the markets. The market makers just use it to turn price in a certain direction. That's all it does. So at the minute, Bitcoin is in a quote-unquote bull flag, and I am not buying it. I do not trade that sort of shit. It's retail trader business, that. I'm not looking for a long here. I'm looking for a long down here. Now why? You got 1 and 2. I want to see the third move down. You got a peak formation here. 3 pins to the high. 1, 2, 3. M. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. And I want to see 3 drops to the low. And the reason I want to see that is because London came to where the stops are and it bounced straight back up, but I didn't see a widening of the spread, and the spread is this line here. I'll show you. See, on the 1 minute chart, it's easy to see. See them lines there? They're separated. If I want to buy, my position would get filled there. No, it's the exact opposite. If I wanted to buy, I'm on about selling. The position will get filled there, but that's where price is. So you start off an automatic loss. So say price were here, but the spread would have been around here. So it came to about here. It took some of the stops, and now it's made all the people who had the tight bitchy stop loss. And when I say bitch stop loss, I mean who had it right there. That's a bitch stop loss. That's what I call a bitch stop loss. The stop loss should have been there. So it's got all them people emotional, and now they're just looking for a long. The retail traders have been shown a bull flag. It's fucking happening as we speak, in fact. It's tried to break out, and everyone's going to be trapped up here. I mean, it could push straight up here, but I'm looking for another drop. Unless level 2 gets violated, which is, I'll draw it. Level 1. Level 2. It's literally happening in real time. Level 3. Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way, guys. 15M. Unless level 2 gets violated, which is around here, unless we get a candle close above here, I am not looking for a long yet. So the retail traders have been shown a bull flag. It's tried to break out and it's failed. I'm looking for the third pin to the low, and why? As I said, the stops didn't get fully stopped out. The bitch stops did, but not the normal stop. The normal stop was here. Like, it'd run a bit deep, more deep into it. And the market makers are looking at their books now, and they're seeing a lot of long interest here and not a lot of short interest. They want to push down and show people the short. They want to stop all these guys out here, because there'll be loads of over leveraged cunts who have stop losses all here because they're bitches and they don't want to put the stop loss down here where it should be. And I'm saying the bitches, they're fearful that their position won't work, so they're not confident, and they don't have the stop loss where it should be. Now the market maker's looking at his books and he's saying there's too much fucking money here. Right here. There's too much money for me to go up now would be stupid. So I can get all this, I can lick my lip, and I can get 500 million in buys, and I can move out and turn that into a 1 billion profit in the day. He's anticipating the news announcement, and I want to see the drop before the news announcement comes out. I want to see the news announcement spike a bit lower, then move straight back up. I don't trade news, so I'll wait till after the news comes out, a bit after, to see the right direction, because it could just keep straight dropping. But you got one pin, you got your second pin, and I want to see a third pin here. And there's also a psychological aspect to this. So everyone in London is now, as I said, long. They saw the big spike to the low, and now it went up. It stopped all the guys in Asia out, and it moved straight back up. But the chopping around, see, when you see this stop punt here, this is a false stop punt for me, because it needs to move straight up. It needs to do this. It needs to just do that. It needs to straight away. Straight away means go up straight away. It isn't. It's the chopping around. They've got something in the works that are saying there's too much money down here. I'm not fucking going up yet. I want to show people the short. Look, all the technicals are pointing to a downtrend. The 50 EMAs, death cross shit. The big M formation. The amount of longs trapped up here will be disgusting as well. All the positions that went long up here, 80% of them people will have their stop here. And why would they want to free these guys up and show them a profit when they can take their profit, make them emotional, make them want to short, and move out of the zone and get more money? So that's what's happening with Bitcoin today. As I said, it could just do what it wants. I think this would be a bottom if we came down here. Because a non-farm, because anything can happen in a news announcement, guys. Like, I've seen some crazy shit. On the forex pairs especially, I've seen some crazy shit happen when non-farm comes out. So I'm keeping it light. I'm not having any positions on. There's no need to, cause it's uncertain at the minute. It's a 50-50 gamble if you're trading at this point. And as a trader, you're not looking for a 50-50 gamble. You're looking for an 80% probable chance. And that's the way it works. So in conclusion, Asia built longs. London spiked the low, spiked the high. They've been shown a bull flag. It tried break out. It didn't break out. If it wanted to break out, there shouldn't be a pin candle like this. It shouldn't even come back into the bull flag. It's not a fucking bull flag. I hate that terminology. That's what the retail traders call it. It should just go straight up if it wanted to go up. And the money here, they're not happy. They're licking their chops, saying, I want it. I'm going to get it. Stay safe. Innit? See ya.